Our super tough frame and chassis is designed and built to not just deliver truck reliability, but even more importantly, to guarantee truck durability. The fenders and step support plates utilize half-inch steel plate. Front and rear frame bulkheads are made from 5/8-inch steel plate. Our exclusive standard belly pan enclosure, made from 3/8-inch steel plate, is bolted to the frame bottom for easy removal. The standard drop-down belly pan adds additional strength and rigidity to the truck frame. A massive truck frame protects the operator and provides an outstanding ergonomic environment. Frame interior is kept clean for easier service procedures, and engine noise emissions are minimized by the enclosed chassis design featuring the drop-down belly pan. All major components are shielded from impact damage, contributing to a more durable, longer-lasting truck. This generates reduced life cycle costs, resulting in a positive contribution to the bottom line of the customer's financial balance sheet. Tough enclosed frame design contributes to extended component life and a reduction of required mortality parts which end up in your local landfill.